to, two. In this lesson, I will go through the difference between these two words and how to use them correctly in a sentence. To. To can be used as a preposition, as an infinitive, to refer to a period of time, or to refer to the receiver of something. As a preposition, it shows the direction. For example, I went to the shop. She went to school. They went to the park. An infinitive is the basic form of a verb. The infinitive form of a verb is usually preceded by to. For example, to eat, to drink, to run, to walk, etc. For example, I want to eat a sandwich. She likes to sing. He likes to drink orange juice. To can be used to refer to the period of time. For example, he works from 9 to 5 on weekdays. Lastly, it refers to the receiver of something. For example, can you give the letter to Sam? So Sam is the receiver of the letter. Sarah gave the book to Jay. So Jay is the receiver of the book. They were polite to her. To. To is an adverb and it means also very or excessive. For example, if my friend was studying and I was also studying, then I can say, I was studying too. So, I was also studying. I'm too tired. This means I'm very tired. You've added too much flour. This means you've added an excessive amount of flour.